Hey, let's talk about steering. This is 9 and 3. This is 10 and 2. There are preferred methods to turn hand over hand into the turn, and when you turn out hand over hand. Some people are taught to do hand to hand. They're different methods. When you're backing up, you need to put your hand to the top of the wheel and look over your right shoulder out the window when you back up. You don't want to turn underhand or have your hands at the bottom of the wheel. You're going to make it small. You don't want to palm the steering wheel because you can lose control. 9 and 3, 10 and 2. One hand is not preferred. On your DMV test or road test, you need to have both hands on the wheel. The airbag is in the middle. Do not have your thumbs in the middle. But I need you to be in the middle and hit that plus. That means you'll follow me. Happy Valentine's Day.